Okay, so we'll now go ahead and create our P&L table structure. Okay, and that's how we want our structure to be like gross sales, pre-invoice reduction, net invoice sales, in that order. Okay, so what we'll do is that we'll copy this one. So Control C, then come here, home, enter data, right? Then Control V. Then call this P&L rules. Okay. Then press and click on OK. And load, sorry. So it is creating the table, right? Okay. P&L rules. Okay. So it's done creating it. So it is there. Let's look P&L rules. This is it. So you come here. Sorry. So when you come here, you find it. Yes. Okay. So what we'll do is let's import net invoice sales. Just for example. Okay, from metrics. Then we'll go ahead and import the row. Okay. Sorry. We'll put yes like this. This is a line item. Okay. Put it here like this. Okay. Now we don't want these values, okay. So but I see it is freight cost manufacturer. I don't want it that order. So what I'll do is I'll come here. Sorry. So I'll come here and then I'll go to export. Then I'll click on sort by order. Okay. Sort column by order. I just want it to be in that order form. Okay. Gross sales, get it. So let's go ahead and calculate the value for gross sales, pre-invoice reduction, and the rest. Remember, in our report measures, we've calculated them already. So we want to find a function or a function that can pick the value of gross sales and align it to where gross sales is found. Are you getting it? And one formula that can help us is switch. Switch is a function in DAX that we can use to assign a specific value to its appropriate description. So we'll come here, we'll create a measure, and we'll call this measure, P&L values, okay, so that it will contain all the values in P&L. Okay, P&L values. It's equal to, okay, let's give it like 18 rows. Okay, fine. It's equal to switch, close it, right? No, we don't close it. Then true. Okay, then comma. So if the maximum, so max is very important in this function. Remember in our previous video we used max to pick up one item or one figure. Okay, so we are saying that pick the max of it, use max. And now in the P&L rows that we created, if the order, okay, is equal to, if the order is equal to 1, right, what should you do? If the order is equal to 1, then now pick gross sales. Okay, yes, gross sales. Now I think it's in millions, so let's divide it by millions so that we can get those values in millions. Okay, so let's divide it by 1 million. Okay, comma. They will come down. Okay. They will come here. If max of P&L rows order is equal to 2, comma, pick pre-invoice deduction divided by 1 million, comma, then come down. If the max of P&L rows order is equal to 3, then what should it pick? It should pick net invoice sales, and let's divide it by 1 million. So what it means is that if it comes here, what this must mean that when it goes to the P&L rows table that we created and it sees order 3, order 3 is for net sales invoice. Therefore, when it sees order 3, it should pick up net sales invoice. So that's it. Okay. I can't be writing everything like that. It is lengthy. So one good function as an analyst you can use more often is copy and paste. Copy and paste is very, very important. It makes work very, very simple for you. Okay. So let's copy and paste these things. All right. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this will be 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So I think it's up to 14 because the thing that we are calculating is up to 18. The rules are up to 18. Okay. Yeah. So 3. Okay. So when we go to 4, 4 is for post invoice deduction, right? Post invoice deduction. Okay. Then 5 will be post invoice order deduction. Invoice, sorry. So post invoice order deduction. Then 6 will be for total. 6 will be total post invoice deduction. Then 7 will be net sales. Okay. Net sales. 8 will be manufacturing cost. Okay. 9 will be freight. 10 will be freight order. Other cost. 11 will be total costs. And then 12 will be gross margin. Then gross margin percentage. Okay. Then this will be gross margin per unit. Okay. Gross margin per unit. So you need not to divide by 1,000 units. Okay, so and I think percentage we just multiply it. We'll multiply it by 100, right? Yeah, we'll divide it by 1,000. Okay. Yeah. Super. Yeah, so that's it, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see what happens. So this are P&L values. Okay, when you drag it here and put it here, this will be getting. Okay, this is what we getting. So let's say you have this fiscal year, you know, you take it from date fiscal year, and surprise them pick up 2020 days it, right? Every month, every year changes. Okay, with the exception of 2023, it was not yet there. So let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so that you can see it properly. So you come to values. Let's make it 15. And then you come to column headers. Let's make it 15. And then you come to column headers. Let's make it also 15. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Yes. So this is the table for our P&L. Right. Yes. We are done calculating it. See, it's dynamic. So remember, the reason why when we click on 2021, the figure changes that because of the modeling that we did. This modeling that we did. You get it? This is the reason why when we click on something, it's being able to change because it has been linked to each other, right? If you didn't do a proper modeling, it wouldn't have been so. That is why data modeling is very, very important when it comes to you analyzing data or you using DAX measures. Data and modeling is very, very important. So we'll end the video here. The next video, we'll try and create the last year column so that we can see how we could also use other measures. But remember, we've in this part, we've discovered another function in DAX called switch, whereby you can assign the appropriate figure to its respective description. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next video.